The 2026 Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of the year. Samsung has truly outdone itself by combining premium design, advanced technology, and powerful performance into a device that feels like a flagship phone but comes at a more affordable price point. From the moment you pick it up, you notice the elegant design. The phone features a sleek glass front and a matte-finished back that resists fingerprints and gives it a modern, sophisticated look. The ultra-slim frame makes it comfortable to hold, and the side-mounted fingerprint sensor is perfectly positioned for natural grip and convenience. The display is where the Galaxy A55 5G truly shines. With a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED Plus panel and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, every swipe, scroll, and animation feels buttery smooth. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the overall visual experience is immersive, whether you are watching videos, playing high-end games, or just browsing your favorite apps. The screen is bright enough to be clearly visible even under direct sunlight, making it perfect for outdoor usage. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Exynos 2400 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. Multitasking is effortless, and even the most demanding applications run without any lag. The Galaxy A55 5G is also ready for the future with full 5G connectivity, giving you blazing fast download speeds and ultra-smooth streaming. Gaming performance is impressive, thanks to the powerful GPU and optimized software, which allows even graphics-heavy titles to run smoothly without overheating. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled with the quad camera setup. The 108 megapixels main camera captures incredible detail, while the 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens allows you to take expansive landscape shots. The 5 megapixels macro lens is perfect for creative close-up shots, and the 5 megapixels